Welcome to the dense, humid forests of Asia, the realm of a true monarch. Here lives a creature of myth and legend, the King Cobra. Today we'll uncover the fascinating truths behind this legendary snake, often feared, but deeply respected. As the apex predator of its world, the King Cobra's life is a story of survival and remarkable adaptation. Join us as we explore its secrets, separate fact from fiction, and discover why its future is now in our hands. The story of the King Cobra deserves to be told and heard. To truly understand the King Cobra, we must first marvel at its extraordinary physical form, a creature that seems almost mythical in its presence. It's the world's longest venomous snake, reaching over 18 feet, longer than most cars. When fully extended, its sheer length is both awe-inspiring and intimidating, a testament to its evolutionary success. Its size is a declaration of dominance, matched by a body built for power and fluid movement. Each muscle ripples beneath its scales, propelling it with a grace that belies its strength. The King Cobra glides silently, its scales shimmering in the dappled sunlight, blending perfectly with the forest floor. This camouflage is its first line of defense, allowing it to move unseen through its domain. Its most iconic feature? The hood, a dramatic display unfurled when threatened, making the snake appear even larger and more intimidating. This spectacle is both a warning and a show of confidence, a signal to all who dare approach. Patterns on the hood, from monocles to double-eyed spectacles, serve as a warning to would-be aggressors. These markings are unique to each individual, like a fingerprint, and can even help researchers identify them in the wild. Coloration varies by region, from jet black to olive brown, with some showing faint crossbands, each adapted to their environment. This diversity helps them blend into a variety of habitats, from dense forests to open grasslands. Its broad head houses keen eyesight, allowing it to spot prey from nearly 100 meters away, unusual for snakes. The King Cobra's vision is sharp, and its senses are always alert to the slightest movement. As a diurnal hunter, it relies on both vision and scent to track its next meal. Its forked tongue samples the air, picking up chemical cues that lead it straight to its prey, even in the thickest undergrowth. Every aspect of its form, from immense length to camouflage and hood, reflects evolutionary perfection. Each adaptation is a survival tool, honed over countless generations. The King Cobra is a master of its domain, sculpted by millions of years to rule its world. It commands respect from all creatures, including humans, who have long revered and feared it. This is not just a snake, it's a living legend. Its presence in folklore and myth only adds to its mystique, making it a symbol of both danger and majesty. Witness the true king of serpents, a creature whose very anatomy tells the story of a ruler perfectly adapted to its throne. Despite its name, the King Cobra isn't a true cobra. It belongs to its own unique genus, Ophiophagus, which literally means snake eater. This remarkable reptile stands apart from its relatives not just in classification but in its extraordinary lifestyle and behavior. Its diet is almost exclusively made up of other snakes, including some of the most dangerous and venomous species in the world, like kraits and even other cobras. Occasionally it may consume lizards or small mammals, but these are rare treats in its menu. The King Cobra is a patient and strategic hunter, relying on its sharp eyesight and an incredibly sensitive flickering tongue to track down its elusive prey. It can sense chemical trails left behind by other snakes, following them with relentless determination through dense undergrowth. When it finally strikes, the King Cobra delivers a massive dose of potent neurotoxic venom, quickly paralyzing its victim and ensuring a swift kill. Its attack is both precise and powerful, a testament to millions of years of evolution. Remarkably, the King Cobra can safely consume venomous snakes thanks to powerful digestive enzymes that neutralize the toxins. This adaptation allows it to feast on prey that would be deadly to most other animals, making it a true specialist. However, it's not immune to the bite of another King Cobra. Each hunt, especially against its own kind, is a calculated risk. Battles between rivals can be fierce and sometimes fatal, as the king defends its territory or seeks a mate. By preying on other snakes, the King Cobra helps control their populations, maintaining a delicate balance in the ecosystem. Its presence keeps the numbers of potentially dangerous snakes in check, benefiting countless other species. This highly specialized diet makes the King Cobra a keystone predator, an animal whose influence is far greater than its numbers alone would suggest. Its hunting prowess is not just a matter of survival for itself, it's essential for the health and stability of the entire forest ecosystem it calls home. Few predators dare to compete with the king, and even fewer can match its combination of size, intelligence, and lethal efficiency. The king cobra's reign is built on its unique role as both hunter and regulator, shaping the world around it with every meal. In the world of snakes, it truly stands alone, an apex predator, a solitary ruler, and a living legend. The king dines on its rivals, and in doing so, it keeps the wild in balance, ensuring the survival of the forest for generations to come. For most of the year, the king cobra is a solitary wanderer, patrolling vast territories alone. This majestic reptile glides silently through the undergrowth, rarely seen by other creatures. Its presence is felt more than it is witnessed, a shadowy ruler of its domain. Encounters between adults are rare and often tense, except during breeding season. When two king cobras cross paths, it's usually a moment charged with caution and power, as both snakes assess each other with slow, deliberate movements. Males track females by scent, and courtship is a careful dance, sometimes interrupted by ritual combat between rivals. These battles are not just displays of strength, but also of endurance and strategy, as each male tries to outlast the other. The winner earns the right to mate, ensuring only the fittest genes are passed on. This natural selection shapes the next generation, favoring those best adapted to survive in the wild. After mating, the female becomes an architect, building a complex, two-chambered nest from leaves and debris. She uses her powerful body to gather and shape the materials, creating a safe haven for her eggs. She lays up to 40 eggs, then guards the nest fiercely, a rare display of maternal care among snakes. Her vigilance is unwavering, and she remains alert to every sound and movement nearby. For up to 90 days, she fasts, living off reserves, her sole focus the protection of her future offspring. Through storms and heat, she endures, never straying far from her precious clutch. Her presence deters nearly all predators. Few dare challenge a brooding king cobra. Even formidable hunters like monitor lizards think twice before approaching her nest, knowing the risk is too great. Just before hatching, she leaves the nest, driven by instinct to avoid harming her own young. This final act of care ensures the hatchlings have the best chance at survival, free from even their mother's accidental threat. The hatchlings emerge alone, ready to face the world. Instinct guides their first movements as they slip away into the undergrowth, each one already equipped with venom and the skills needed to survive. This cycle of solitude, fierce devotion, and instinct is unique among snakes. The king cobra's life is a remarkable blend of isolation and intense, selfless care. The king cobra's maternal care is a testament to its complexity. Few reptiles show such dedication, making her one of nature's most fascinating mothers. From solitary hunter to devoted guardian, its life is a study in contrasts. The king cobra is both a fearsome predator and a gentle protector, embodying the duality of nature. The next generation begins its journey, alone but perfectly equipped to survive. Each hatchling carries the legacy of its mother's devotion and the instincts of a true survivor. The legacy of the king continues as new lives slip quietly into the wild, ready to claim their place in the ancient forests. The king cobra's fearsome reputation is built on its venom, a potent cocktail of neurotoxins. While not the most toxic by volume, a single bite delivers enough venom to kill 20 people or even an elephant. Neurotoxins attack the nervous system, causing paralysis and, without treatment, rapid death by respiratory failure. Yet the king cobra is not aggressive, it avoids humans whenever possible. Bites are rare and almost always defensive, with the snake preferring to flee or warn with a dramatic hood display and a deep growling hiss. Sometimes it delivers a dry bite, no venom, just a warning. Venom is precious, used for hunting, not wasted on threats. The king cobra's true nature is shy and reclusive, not the monster of legend. Understanding its behavior is key to coexistence. Respect, not fear, is the right response to this remarkable predator. Its power is matched by its reluctance to use it against us. The king cobra wants only to be left alone. Its reputation is deserved, but often misunderstood. In the wild, caution and respect are the best guides. The king cobra's kingdom stretches across Asia, from India to Indonesia. It thrives in rainforests, but also adapts to mangroves, grasslands, and even agricultural areas. Its survival depends on cover, stable temperatures, and a steady supply of snakes to eat. As forests shrink, king cobras are forced into closer contact with humans, often with tragic results. In some regions, cultural reverence offers protection. In others, fear leads to conflict. The snake's presence in fields and villages is a direct result of habitat loss. Its shrinking range tells a story of environmental change and human impact. Where forests remain, the king cobra endures as a symbol of wild Asia. Its adaptability is impressive, but not limitless. The future of the king depends on our willingness to share the land. Protecting its habitat is essential for its survival, and for the balance of the ecosystem. The king cobra's fate is tied to the fate of the forests it calls home. The king cobra's talents go beyond size and venom. Its nest building is unique among snakes, a feat of instinctive engineering. Using its body, the female constructs a two-tiered mound, ensuring the perfect environment for her eggs. The king cobra also produces a low-frequency growl, more like a dog's than a snake's hiss, to warn large animals away. This chilling sound is a powerful deterrent, resonating through the forest. Its resistance to the venom of other snakes is another evolutionary marvel, allowing it to hunt dangerous prey. Specialized proteins in its blood neutralize toxins, a chemical defense as vital as its own venom. These abilities, nest building, growling, venom resistance, reveal a complex, sophisticated animal. The king cobra is an architect, a strategist, and a master of survival. Each talent is a chapter in its evolutionary story. This is no ordinary snake. It's a creature of hidden depths. The king's talents are as impressive as its reputation. Despite its power, the king cobra is now vulnerable. Habitat loss and fragmentation threaten its survival as forests are cleared for agriculture and development. Isolated populations lose genetic diversity and face greater risks from disease and extinction. Human-snake conflict increases as their worlds collide, often ending badly for the snake. The king cobra is also hunted for its skin and body parts and killed out of fear. Conservation means protecting vast forests and creating corridors for safe movement. Education is crucial, changing fear into respect and understanding the snake's vital ecological role. Rescue and relocation programs save both snakes and people, fostering coexistence. The fate of the king cobra is in our hands. Saving it means saving entire ecosystems. The king's vulnerability is a stark reminder of our impact on nature. Its reign is fragile, but not yet over. Our choices will decide its future. The king cobra is a symbol of wild Asia, powerful, graceful, and now vulnerable. Protecting this monarch means preserving the forests and the countless species within them. By saving the king cobra, we safeguard a vital piece of our planet's heritage. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay curious and help us protect the wonders of the natural world. Until next time.